Lily pads, water lilies, what could be more peaceful? I always think of frogs and turtles lounging around in the warm summer, hunting, basking, and playing among these beautiful plants. Here on Beaver Lake, there are many quiet bays and nooks and crannies with huge areas of lily pads, and I never really thought about what might be lurking underneath until I started to look in the hidden lake. Okay, there isn't really a monster under the lake, but I sure as heck wondered what this thing was until I put two and two together and looked it up. It turns out that lily pads and water lilies are parts of the same plant, which isn't surprising. But the crazy part is that they're the smallest part. Lilies are actually what you call rhizomatous, a big word that means they have a creeping root system from which the leaves and the flowers pop out, and roots below that. And in the case of water lilies, those roots are huge. Check this out. This is a dead piece that was sticking out of the lake, and underneath the lake you could see it was maybe 10 centimeters across. It sort of looks like a snake-like pineapple, with strands coming out every once in a while and rising to the surface or going down. Very, very creepy. So just remember, the next time you're having a lovely little paddle about and you encounter some lily pads and some water lilies, maybe just don't drag your fingers through the water. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned a little bit about water lilies today, and please like and subscribe below and hit the bell beside the subscribe button to be notified of my next video. Thank you again.